The history of moon exploration is filled with tremendous achievements and ongoing efforts to unlock the secrets of our Earth's only natural satellite. One of the most iconic moments in human history was the first moon landing, which took place on July 20, 1969, during the Apollo 11 mission. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin set foot on the moon, with Armstrong famously stating, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This monumental achievement marked the beginning of a series of successful lunar missions. The Lunar Module, also known as the LM or Eagle, during Apollo 11, was the spacecraft that enabled astronauts to travel from the command module to the moon's surface and back. It consisted of two parts, the descent stage that landed on the moon and the ascent stage that returned to the command module. In total, 12 astronauts have walked on the moon during the Apollo missions, from Apollo 11 to Apollo 17. The last person to leave the lunar surface was Eugene Cernan, commander of Apollo 17, on December 14, 1972. The courage and tenacity of these moonwalkers have left an indelible mark on human history. The Apollo missions also brought back an impressive 382 kilograms, 842 pounds, of moon rocks, soil, and core samples. These valuable samples have provided scientists with a deeper understanding of the moon's composition, geological history, and even shed light on the early history of our solar system. It's fascinating to note that the ascent stages of the lunar modules were left behind on the moon's surface after each mission. They served as launch platforms for the return journey to lunar orbit. Unfortunately, after Apollo 17, no humans have returned to the moon due to budget constraints and shifting priorities. However, in recent years, there has been a renewed interest in moon exploration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s, with a focus on sustainable missions and establishing a lunar gateway for further exploration. Notably, other countries like China and India have shown keen interest in moon exploration. China's Chang'e missions have successfully landed rovers on the moon, and they have plans for crewed lunar missions. India's Chandrayaan missions have also contributed to our understanding of the moon's surface. Private companies, such as SpaceX, have also entered the arena of moon exploration. SpaceX's ambitious Dear Moon project aims to send a group of artists and astronauts on a private mission around the moon. The scientific discoveries resulting from